11. Cold weather patrol. The patrolling of track carried out during the period, in winter, when rail temperature is significantly lower than stress-free, the stressing temperature. 12. Consolidation of track. The process of building up ballast resistance to the tendency of movement of sleeper either initially before laying LWR, CWR or making up subsequent loss of resistance. 13. Cross level. It is the level difference between two rails, on a sleeper, of a track. For the measurement of cross level, one of the rails is taken as reference to define the level of other rail. 14. Crossing angle. It is the angle contained between the gauge lines of the crossing. Usually defined by the number of crossing, which is cotangent of angle of crossing. 15. Crossover. A device to connect two lines by using two turnouts and straight or curved track in between. 16. Degree of curvature. The angle subtended at the center of the circular curve by a chord of 30.5 meters. 17. The stressing. An operation undertaken with or without rail tensor to secure stress-free conditions in the LWR, CWR at the desired, specified rail temperature. 18. Equilibrium speed. The speed at which the centrifugal force developed during the movement of the vehicle on a curved track is exactly balanced by the cant provided. 19. Gauge. It is the shortest distance between the gauge faces of rails of a track between two rails. It is usually measured at a level between 13 to 15 mm below the rail top. 20. GMT. The total traffic carried on a line, expressed as the gross million tons of traffic, GMT, recorded and advised by the statistical branch of each zonal railway as on the 31st of March of every year is called the GMT of the line. 21. Hot weather patrol. The patrolling of track carried out during the period, in summer, when rail temperature is significantly higher than stress-free, the stressing temperature. 22. Lead curve or the turnout curve. The curve beginning, usually from the toe of curved switch, and extending up to toe of crossing. 23. Machine joint. These joints are fish-plaited joints, which are provided where zero gap is required between rail ends. 24. Maximum permissible speed of the curve. The highest speed which may be permitted on a curve taking into consideration the radius of the curvature, actual cant deficiency, cant excess in the length of XXV. Transition. 25. Rail failure. A rail is said to have failed if it has fractured in track or it is considered necessary to remove it from track on account of defects other than those due to accidental damages due to buckling, kinking, derailments, abnormal wheel burns etc. 26. Rail temperature. Temperature of the rail is recorded by an approved type of rail thermometer at site. It differs from the ambient temperature, which is the temperature of air in shade at that place, as reported by the Meteorological Department. Indian railways have been divided into 4 rail temperature zones. Fig. 3.7 of Chapter 3 is a map showing the 4 temperature zones and the annual mean rail temperatures at all important places are shown in the map. A. De-stressing temperature, TD. The average rail temperature during the period of fastening the rails to the sleepers after the stressing LWR, CWR without the use of rail tensor. If rail tensor is used, TD for all practical purposes is equal to T0. The range of TD or T0 shall be within the limits of rail temperature shown below. Temperature zone rail section range I, 2, 3 all sections Tm to Tm plus 5 degrees Celsius IV 52 kg per meter and heavier Tm plus 5 degrees Celsius to Tm plus 10 degrees C. B. Installation temperature, T. The average rail temperature, during the process of fastening the rails to the sleepers, at the time of installation of SWR, LWR, CWR. C. Mean annual rail temperature, TM. The average of the maximum and minimum rail temperature recorded during the year. TM is fixed locally wherever rail temperature records are available for a reasonable period of 5 years. Where rail temperature records are not available, TM can be read from the rail temperature map Fig. 3.7 of Chapter 3. D. Prevailing rail temperature, TP. The rail temperature prevailing at the time when any operation connected with LWR such as the stressing etc. is carried out. E. Stress-free temperature, T0. The temperature of rail in LWR, CWR at which the rail is free of thermal stresses.